Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. As you saw, I've got a little mini haul. I want to show you these kits that I got, where they came from. And I was just sitting here. I've got a lot of old Scale Auto magazines. I wasn't around when Scale Auto was out. Well, I was around, but I wasn't in the modeling hobby when Scale Auto, or at least I came in right when they left, or right when they went out of business, or whatever that they were absorbed by. Whatever, I don't even know the story. But I was looking at some of these and just flipping through. This is September 1994. Oh, this isn't Scale Auto, this is Car Modeler. I got tons of different ones that people have sent me, which is super cool. But I was looking at things, especially 1994, there were no 3D printers. Nobody was 3D printing anything. And what amazes me, I guess, is this is where I'm kind of, my thought is, here, 2023, right? That's the year we live in right now. We think that we are, and this, don't take this wrong. Let me finish my thought and you'll see where I'm going. We think we're the smartest that we've ever been. We think we're the best at everything that can be done than we have been in history. But yet they can't figure out how the pyramids were built. You know, 5,000 years ago or whatever it was. Things like that. And there were no 3D printers in 1994. And you had people. Let me get this camera tuned up here. Building stuff like that. I guess it was cast, resin cast. But what? How in the heck? I mean, I'm amazed. You would think that this would be the stuff of 3D printing today. Now, 3D printing is nice. I think it's probably the most best thing about it is it's fast. And I don't know how they do the resin cast, or I don't know if they would carve out a mold or how they would do it, but they had it going on back in 1994. Look at the wheels and tires. Those are real aluminum. And I heard that was a big thing back in the day. Not so much anymore. You don't see too many with aluminum wheels and all. But yeah, this was Scotty King. I remember seeing Scotty King at the Gator Nationals one year. It was really cool. But anyway, around a pro mod. But yeah, that's cool. And for them to be able to do this and, you know, all the stuff without 3D printing, they had it going on. Okay, done with that. I just wanted to kind of see what you guys thought about that. You know, we feel like we've come so far, but sometimes it's almost like we go backwards. Like, does Google make us smarter? Or does it make us more dumb because we don't have to think? We can just punch it into Google, you know what I mean? That goes back to this kind of stuff too. These guys were awesome. Awesome. No 3D printers. Alright, done with that. Talk about this haul. So first, this one wasn't in the picture. And don't get too excited, you monster truck fans. That's not in here. But part of it is. So my friend Matt LeBlanc, I think that's how his last name is pronounced. He sent me a message. He said, hey, I've got some old monster truck parts. You interested in them? And I was like, heck yeah. So there are, actually the tires for this, I don't know if all four were in there, but there are in there. There's some old Bigfoot, I think Gen 1 Bigfoot stuff in here. First edition Bigfoot parts and things like that. Axles, tires, body panels, and things like that. So I want to say thanks to Matt for sending me this box of monster truck parts, because I'm a huge monster truck fanatic. My dad built this kit particularly when I was a child, but you go try to find one of these. Woo boy, they're expensive, like that Destroyer 2 that I just recently got. These are super expensive. This is the Destroyer number 1. I bought the Destroyer number 2 and it was very expensive. Anyway, cool kit, cool truck, and cool guy. Matt, thanks for sending that over. Alright, next is, let's see, I'll do my eBay stuff. I got this off eBay. I've already got one of these, but I wanted another one because it was a very good deal that I got on this. It's a Tester's Porsche 959. Not sure the origins of it. I guess I could look. That's kind of lazy. I mean, it's kit number 383 of testers. But I did notice, you know, it's printed, parts made in Japan. I think it was Japan. I opened it up and looked at it. But this is a super simple kit. I've got another one. And I don't want to open it necessarily. And I'll show you why. I got a thing. I'm over the whole opening boxes. So here's the one that I already had. Same kit. But it's got a price tag, and I think price tags are cool. KB Toys, $9.99. You know, KB's long gone, and I don't know. It just seems pretty cool to have something. I've got several model kits that have the old price tags on them, and those are the ones I'll probably continue to keep sealed. But I got this one. It was already opened anyway. But it's a cool little car. I think it's not the best looking Porsche, I'll admit. I think it's kind of gaudy looking, all the body flares and stuff. But I opened it up and it would be a super quick build. It's a curbside. Be a super quick build. It's a 1985 edition of this model, or this kit is copyright 1985. So it's quite old, but all the parts are in wonderful shape. Got the most hideous looking wipers you could imagine. But I'm gonna build it, and it'll be fun. Might build it, might try to paint it that color. It actually looks pretty decent. Anyway, yeah, Porsche 959, boxed by testers, made by unknown. It's probably a Italy. I don't know, maybe it is. And then here's something cool, and I've got cool plans for this. Whether they pan out or not, I don't know. But Willys Jeep, I don't know what year it is, super detailed only Jeep kit in 1/24 scale. This is an Italy, and they still make this kit. You can still get it, but this is the tester's version of it. I don't remember how much you paid for it, but yeah, kit number 838 if you want to search it out on ScaleMates. It's a neat little ride. Most of them are 1/35 scale. It's hard to find a Jeep like this in 1/24 scale. 1986. Testers Corporation. Printed in USA, and parts are made in Italy because it's Italy. And Dennis Warner built this model kit. You guys know him? I don't know him, but anyway. Pretty cool. I've got some wacky plans. Again, I don't know. I might just would build it stock, but because it is cool to just have an old Army Jeep. But I got some thoughts in my head. I won't share that right now, just in case I change my mind. You guys will be like, Matthew, you should have done that. So I won't share those with you. I don't know how I'll end up doing it, but I thought about some stuff, and that's why I bought this kit. Although I'd like to have it anyway. Does MASH start to go? Na, 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 na. You hear helicopters flying over. Anyway, cool car, or cool little kit. And now, my friend Greg Hines, he and I did a model swap. He said, "Hey, I got this. You want it?" And I said, "Heck yeah!" And I had something he wanted. He had something I wanted, so we did a swap, and I ended up with a Porsche 911 Carrera 1985 Porsche Carrera. This is a Fujimi kit, packaged by testers. 1987, right there. Parts made in Japan, obviously. It's a tester's kit. It's a full engine. Don't think it's a turbo car. No, it's not a turbo car because I see the exhaust right there. So a non-turbo car, which is good, because that 911 turbo that I've got 3 more of, and I built one. Wow, let me tell you what, there are so many little pieces to try and get all to fit right with that exhaust system. It was a real challenge. But thanks, Greg, for thinking about me here and swapping out, and I'm more happy with this than the one that I sent you, and I hope likewise you're more happier with that. It has an ultra detailed 6-cylinder engine and with display stand. So these have a little display stand in, I guess, if you don't want to put the engine, or it may come with a second engine, I don't remember. they may have 2 engines, but I know for sure if you build the engine, there's a little display display stand for the engine alone. Did it have that on the back? No, it did not. But it does have a opening front hood and a spare tire and everything. Nice. All right, and last, Greg gifted me something. So he said, I'm gonna send you a little something else. And check this out. 37 Chevy early modified. This is a re-release, 1996 re-release of it. But what a cool cool little model kit. What I can't figure out, and I haven't looked at the instructions, is it's a Chevy engine, but with the exhaust set up there, that's not a small block. And I wasn't sure on the valve covers. It's kind of hard to tell for me. Oh, I'm sorry. Never mind. Scratch all that. It's a big block. Okay, that just explained everything. So big block 427 and a 4-speed tranny. And it's cool. And it's like a straight up race car chassis with the old 37 Chevy body on top of it. It's got plastic 2-piece tires. So the tires are 2 pieces. You glue them together. And isn't that cool? I have another 35 Chevy modified that I believe my friend Paul Olson sent to me. So I've got a pair of AMT early modifieds. So yeah, 2 stinking cool. So that's the smallest haul I've had in a while. But I wanted to show you guys that stuff and say a big thank you to everybody for supporting me via the channel, because, well, that sounds like you're like buying my food and stuff. I do not use any of the proceeds from this channel to buy food. I'm just playing. No, just thank you for your support, guys. Thanks for watching these videos and all you do. Like, thank you, Greg. I appreciate it, buddy. Thank you, Matt, for sending me these two gifts, and you know, I'm just grateful. I don't know what to say. I really don't. Just don't have the words to say other than thank you very much. But I do thank Mark over at Hobby Nut Models for supporting my channel as well. Go check out Hobby Nut Models, linked in the description of this video, as well as the rest. And go grab yourself some of that great MCW paint, as well as a model kit. Go grab yourself a model kit. There's no telling what he'll have. He does have new model kits, but Mark also has a variety of older stuff that he gets from, he buys a collection or something like that. So you never know what you're going to find. So it's always good to go over there and check out his model inventory. And if you like to build tanks and planes and stuff like that, he's loaded with those things too. So go check out Mark over at hobbynutmodels.com. Thanks to all of the Facebook members that we have. It's a great way to show people your work. It's a great way to get questions answered if you're struggling and things like that. Model Car Videos Facebook group. Go join if you hadn't already. Linked in the description below, as well as the Spring Store, where you can grab yourself a cool Model Car Videos t-shirt or a hoodie or a sticker or a coffee mug. And don't forget to go check out the Patreon page. If you're not a Patreon member, I encourage you to go just check it out, look, and I think it's $5 a month. Do live streams, and it's really cool. And anyway, enough of that stuff. Thank you all for watching the videos. That's what the biggest support of mine is, you behind the screen, or in front of the screen. Actually, you are. I'm behind the screen right now. So yeah, thanks for all you do, guys. Take care, and we'll see you somehow or another on the next video. You take care.